Welcome to On Pro Highs. Let's take the today Hindu analysis of 9th December 2021. In this article, the author says about the India and Russia relationship. We normally know the Russia as the closest friend, the friend ally of India before independence and now also. And Russia is the largest defense weapon supplier of India from past many decades. And this thing, the normally the Indian and Russia, the trade and also the relationship, they mainly on the dealing of weapons between these two countries, and India also the largest importer of weapons from India. And thing is, the author in this article they mention about the weapons deals between India and Russia does not make these two sides like as a close partner. We are able to call it these two Russia and India as a close partner. Means the author in this article mentioned about without having people to people contact, the like it not having gone organic. Means take on example, if we choose as an Indian tourist, as Indians choose as a tourist place, they normally the Indian people choose the USA and the European countries like German, France, Britain as the tourist place. Means the people to interaction and tourism between on Indian to Russia, it's too low. Yeah, and also the China aggression, despite having the people to people contact, the Russia, they normally the biggest supporter of India in many geopolitical situations. And even the having the Chinese aggression between India and Chinese aggression in the South specific region, the India normally look back to on on move to the to a friend ally of US. Means the thing is, we normally know the trade relation between India and Russia, the majorly depends on weapons delivery and also on oil and gas transaction between these two countries. And when you come to on India needs to choose the friend ally between USA and Russia, the India needs to choose the willing to choose on USA as the friend ally, means it needs to prefer US as the major partner compared to on Russia, because the author mentioned in this article about the Indian and Russian relationship. It's majorly depends on weapons delivery and gas and oil transaction between these two countries. And when you come to on India and US relationship, other than weapons delivery, other than the transaction between defense or any other extra geopolitical situation, India and Russia and India and also US relationship is more, and means we having on more trade relations or on also close ally compared to on Russia along with US. In this article, the author says about the normally if you come to on the relationship between India and US, and also the India tends to close between to US because of there will be like we know there will be constantly Chinese aggression in many border issues and also in South Pacific Ocean, because of this aggressive nature of Chinese in Indian specific ocean and also in border issues, the India needs to seek help of USA. And you all know the USA and India all the democratic and also the democratic nation. And when it come to on Russia and China, they are all communist party. Means we need to take the help of and also as China is taking bitter aggression towards the border issues and also in the Indian specific region or reason, the India normally tends to close to USA and also other democratic countries. This makes the Russia to bit decline on also close observer of India and US relationship. And in this article, and also the author says about the what are the different factors that tends to make the India and Russia relationship, and also that leads to on less significant compared to on earlier days. The first thing is the Quad effect. The We know the thing, because of China's aggression in Indian specific region, the India tends to more the Chinese what aggression even in borders, and even in specific like Indo-Pacific Ocean. The India and also Russia, the democratic countries like Russia, Japan, India, and also US made a group called on Quad. Yeah, this Quad contain on democratic countries like Australia, Japan, US, and India. This makes the collision or combining of on the four the largest democratic countries. This makes Russia as a communist party to tend to see the growth of on India, and also look back to the growth of the complete significance of India and Russia relationship. And when you come to on recent visit of Rajnath Singh to Russia, even despite having some backdrop when you come to on Quad, and also even in close relation with the US, the Russia is constantly supporting and even back end supporter of India in many other aspects. They normally in last year, Rajnath Singh visit to Russia. The Rajnath Singh requested to Russian peoples to deliver the list of 10 pieces of military equipment that India needed to fight to People's Liberation's Chinese People Liberation Army troops facing off against Indian soldiers on the line of action control in Ladakh. And also, based on request of Rajnath Singh, the Russia they delivered the 10 pieces of military equipment for Indian like Indian soldiers to fight against the Chinese People Liberation Army troops in on Ladakh. And also in the recent the virtual democracy summit set up by Joe Biden, and this virtual democracy summit also attended by Modi. This makes us the closing relationship between India and US. And also this virtual summit does not contain the involvement of Chinese and Russia, because as they are communist party, and Joe Biden and like as the US president, they constantly go for on like, and also giving more preference to Indian like democratic countries like on India. And also by taking these all those point, and also because of some extra chord effect, and also on closing ties with the US, the Russia is constantly supporting us in many in any other like in all formats, even in fighting with China. Yeah, this thing makes what other daughter mentioned about this thing like in today the article is despite having we know the trade relationship between India and Russia that's account only on 10 billion. And when you come to on the trade relation between India, Russia, and China, they trade like accounts for more than 100 billion. And thus we can conclude the India and Russia trade that accounts only 1/10 of the trade between Russia and China. And despite having the larger amount of trade relation between China, the Russia is constantly supporting India in all formats, even within fight against the China. Like as we take an example of giving military equipments to India, like at a time of like as requested India when fight against China's People Liberation Army. Yeah, then we can move to next article. In this article the author mentioned about inequality. Yeah, we all know despite having higher GDP, the countries having higher GDP rate, their growth rate do not tells it means like the country having high GDP rate does not mean the country having equality, or there is no inequality in the countries having high GDP rate. By means despite having the India is the fifth largest highest gross domestic product of nearly 3.5 trillion. GDP, like in past like many year, India facing on inequality in many other aspects. Okay? In this article, the author says global inequality today. The global inequality today, it accounts for like it's high. Inequality today is normally not high compared to on early 20th century. And also the richest people of global economy tends to account for nearly 52 percent of global income. They normally account for only 10% of population, and also remaining 50% of poorest people that accounts for only 8.5% of total global income. This means this data which shows that the amount of inequality that exists in the world. Yeah, and also the poorest 50% own just 2% of global wealth, and also the richest 10% own 76% of the wealth. And also in this article, the inequality is very least in European like nations and highest in Middle East and North African regions. And not only in this article, the author shows about the inequality that will exist in many parts of on like over like world. And also the other than the inequality that exists in India, India facing wealth inequality. The wealth inequality in India even worse, means even the worst condition than on income inequality. In this wealth inequality in India, the average human, the average Indian citizen, the accounts for on overall average wealth just for 66,000, and middle class Indian citizen that accounts for only 7,73,000, and overall only top 1% over earned on average of 3 crore 24 lakh respectively. In these data mentioned by on author, we can conclude there's not only in India the income inequality exceeds even the wealth inequalities in India is when is worse compared to on income inequality. Yes, and like in this article, in also the author mentioned about how the wealth inequality is exits by taking on example. In this example, if we take 100 rupees on Indian citizen is earned in on day, the 82 rupees, the like out of 100 rupees, the 82 rupees is the total contribution from on men, and only 18% the Indian female labor share in our total of 100 rupees. In these example, we can mention, we can conclude that not only the income inequality exhibit in on India, the wealth inequality also even worse. India like even worse condition. Yes, and also by taking this example, we can conclude the global inequality today is normally getting backed, and also is worse compared to on early 20th century. Let's move on to next article. In this article, the authors mention about the constantly increasing rate of on LPG prices. In November and also in December of 2021, the in these like in these 2 months, the LPG refills as are risen more than 50%, like of over from past many years. In these it accounts the constantly raising of LPG rates from past 2 months. The middle and poorer Indian peoples are like poor like Indian human those were getting backed or getting used as cooking fuels, as firewood, and also dung cakes as their solid fuels for their cooking thing. This means, and also for you usage of the firewood and also dung cakes makes us polluting, and also it leads to on huge pollution inside on indoor pollution, like it also contributes for or contribute for the indoor pollution. And also in this article, the author mentioned about nearly on 6 lakh deaths every year. It accounts only on indoor pollution that come from on firewood and dung cakes. By taking this seriousness, by taking these points, the Indian government introduced the scheme called PM Ujjwala Yojana scheme. In this PM Ujjwala Yojana scheme, the government distributed more than 8 crore subsidized LPG connection to Indian human households. Yeah, and that's all for today. We can meet up tomorrow. Thank you.